Yes.
But here's the deal. You did a crime today.
I know, it doesn't look good.
No, it's illegal. It's not that it doesn't look good. It's shoplifting.
That was not my intention.
I'm not asking you what your intention was.
I know.
Okay?
I know. I got a phone
I'm not saying
call.
when you got here you planned to steal stuff.
No.
A female police officer walked into a Walmart while on duty, wearing her uniform with her patrol vehicle parked outside, and allegedly filled a black tote with merchandise before paying only for the tote itself. Surveillance footage and Walmart asset protection reportedly showed her placing dog food, candy, and personal care products into the container, while moving around the store acting as if she was searching for someone to help her. Under Arizona Revised Statutes Section 13-1805, a person commits shoplifting by knowingly obtaining goods from a store with the intent to deprive the merchant of those goods without paying the purchase price. When officers confronted her, she admitted the unpaid items were inside the tote, but insisted she never intended to steal anything, even though she had already passed the final checkout area and exit scanner.
I just want to see the video because she's telling us something, and I want to make sure that what she's trying to tell us doesn't match up.
I was watching her on the video.
Yeah.
She comes
when she was in the front end. Yeah.
Those self-checks that are closed, but we have product there, so we leave it all. She went through there. She had her phone out.
Okay.
Then she cuts around the corner, goes over to Clint at door 2. Clint talks to her. She turns around. She goes to customer service. She waits in line in customer service for a minute or two. She rolls up, says a couple of words to generally the team lead, comes out, heads back to door 2, talks to Clint again, circles back around, and then she cuts through, up through the self-check, turns around, gets in line to self-check 5.
Okay.
She's at self-check 5, she scans the tote, just the tote. Doesn't open anything, scans the tote, just the tote, gets her receipt, heads out, goes right past the door host on 1, and she's passed everything, she's passed the scanner.
Yeah.
And that's when we stop her and
Okay.
say, hey, what are you doing?
So, because she's claiming that she was trying to find someone to watch her cart because she didn't know where, but that doesn't explain why she would then try to push out the merchandise. I'm sorry, what was your name?
Ward.
Ward?
Yes.
Okay.
The situation became even more disturbing because the accused was not an ordinary civilian, but a certified peace officer trusted to uphold the law. Body camera footage captured investigators repeatedly questioning why she went through self-checkout, purchased only the tote, and then attempted to leave with unpaid merchandise concealed inside. The Law Enforcement Code of Ethics requires officers to keep their private life unsullied as an example to all, and to obey the law they are sworn to enforce. Investigators also challenged her explanation about losing her patrol car keys, because, according to the officers on scene, a reasonable person worried about missing keys tied to a police vehicle carrying weapons would have abandoned the shopping cart immediately, instead of continuing through checkout.
So, sure. So, here's the situation, right? Obviously, you know why we're over here?
Yes, I do.
Yep. What kind of animals do you have at home?
I have dogs.
Dogs? How many?
8.
Yeah, that's quite a few. What kind?
Belgian Malinois and Yorkies.
Okay. Very good. So why were the items inside of the tote?
Like I said, I have 2 separate totes. I was going to do one for the candy and then one for my personal stuff. I was on my way home.
Mm-hmm. So why were the items inside of the tote, though?
Just to make room. I wasn't, like I said, you can fit 2 totes side by side in the cart.
But there weren't 2 totes in the cart.
No, I guess I thought I had grabbed 2, but I grabbed 2 lids.
Okay. And so you put the items in the tote?
Yes, I did.
The animal items, things like that, and those are your
room.
personal items?
Yes, those are mine.
Okay. All right, so you put those in the tote to make room.
Yes.
And when were you going to get the candy then?
I was going to get them probably at the same time. I was going around to make... Candy usually melts. I didn't want to put it in my car right away. So I was just going to get it on my way out. Or come back in.
Okay.
I guess it makes sense.
Which one do you think makes sense?
Well, like I said, I would normally put the totes side by side so they fit in there. So I can lift the tote in there. Because one of them is usually the heaviest. It's the candy.
So you went to self-checkout, right?
Yes.
And what did you purchase at the self-checkout?
I just got the tote. I was...
Why not the items inside of the tote?
Completely...
You put the items inside of the tote.
I know, but...
Then you tried to leave the store.
Yes.
And you got confronted by asset protection.
Yeah, I was trying to go to talk to that lady to see if she could hold my cart. I was looking for my keys. Honest, looking for my keys.
I understand that. I believe that you're looking for your keys, right?
Yes.
But here's the deal: you did a crime today.
I know it doesn't look good.
No, it's illegal. It's not that it doesn't look good. It's shoplifting.
That was not my intention.
I'm not asking
just
you
got
what
a
your
phone
intention
call.
was.
I know.
Okay.
I know. I got
I'm
a
not
phone
saying
call.
when you got here you
Okay.
planned to steal stuff.
No.
I'm not saying that.
As investigators dug deeper, Walmart loss prevention officers reportedly connected the female officer to multiple prior incidents involving the same method of concealment using totes and fraudulent returns. Police reports alleged she stole nearly $600 worth of products during several visits between August and September 2025, including Halloween candy, dog supplies, household goods, and Lego sets. Fraudulent schemes and shoplifting offenses may constitute felony conduct under Arizona Revised Statutes Sections 13-1805 and 13-2310 when repeated acts show an organized pattern intended to obtain property or financial benefit through deception. The repeated allegations destroyed the idea that this was a simple mistake, because surveillance footage allegedly showed her entering the store several times over multiple months and returning items she had never legitimately purchased.
I'm saying something happened, and along the way, all we paid for was a tote, and then we tried to leave the store, and you're saying to find a lady, but you went to customer service, you went to one of the greeters prior to going and purchasing the tote. At any point, you could have left your property, right? Now, you're a certified peace officer, correct?
Yes.
If I lost my keys, what are the keys for?
My car, my unit.
Yeah, so if I lost my keys from my unit, I would leave my merchandise and go find it because it's kind of important. Especially you said your weapon's in there, correct?
Yes.
So why go through self-checkout, purchase the tote, and then try to leave the store? We just need to be on the level. That's it.
No,
We're done.
my intention
We're done
was
playing
not-
games.
It's not to take. I wasn't trying to take anything, honest. Okay. My intention was not to steal anything. Okay.
Okay.
That's
At
not
what
what's
point?
happening at all.
At what point?
No, none of it. No, none of it at all. Like
So,
I said,
so you put all these items in the tote, one by one.
Yes.
Asset
I did.
Protection watched you do that.
Okay.
They watched you close the lid on the tote after every time you put something in there. They've been watching you. I watched the surveillance video. You look like a thief. I'm gonna be honest with you. You look like a shoplifter on the video. I've watched a lot of shoplifters on video. You look like a shoplifter.
Okay, that's not good then.
It's not. It's not, and it makes it hard for me to believe that you
I know.
didn't remember
Okay.
things were in the tote when you went to leave the store. Especially when you grab the bag, because you know what that looks like, right? What does that look like?
Yeah. Like
You grab one bag with a bunch of stuff in the tote you didn't buy. What does it look like?
Yeah, it looks like I was trying to take something.
Yeah, it looks like you're going to try to make your purchase appear legitimate with a bag, right? You're going to put some stuff in there, and I don't know at what point your plan was to do that. I don't know.
No, that wasn't it. Sorry.
Yeah, but
I always get a bag and I use it for my Belgian Malinois to pick up poop. He's got the biggest poop.
yeah, right. So, I mean, we deal in probable cause, right? What's probable? Let me ask you. You have this call right now. Take your profession out of it. What's probable?
Evidence, whatever you've got. Right?
I'm not asking you that. I'm asking you what's probable.
I guess what it looks like.
What does it look like?
It looks like shoplifting.
It does.
Sorry, that was not. What a day.
Okay. You still don't know where your keys are, though?
No,
Okay.
I'm telling you, that's.
Okay. All right, sit tight.
Public outrage exploded after viewers noticed the female officer was sitting uncuffed in the back of a patrol vehicle while still holding personal belongings, treatment many believed ordinary citizens would never receive. The White Mountain Apache Police Department later confirmed Officer Melissa Ward was placed on administrative leave while prosecutors continued building the case against her. Equal protection under the law requires that justice be administered without favoritism, prejudice, or special privilege. In March 2026, prosecutors announced Ward pleaded not guilty to multiple felony shoplifting and fraud charges tied to roughly $1,000 in alleged thefts from Walmart stores. Court records reportedly banned her from entering Walmart locations while the criminal proceedings continued. The case became another national example of how public trust collapses when the very people sworn to enforce the law are accused of repeatedly breaking it themselves.